video, let's plot the points A being -3, 0 and B being 0, -5. So remember, when we plot points, they are X and then Y, and our axes are X and then Y. So start from the center and we go -3 in the X direction. So that's left, 1, 2, 3, and we go 0 in the Y direction. So that means we stop right here. I'm going to label this as A. Now, when we do B, that means 0 means we go nowhere in the X direction, but we go -5 in the Y direction. So we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm going to label that point as B.